Good day, folks. Welcome to the channel. If you're getting the notification you can no longer use PayPal, I'm going to show you how you can actually tackle that problem and fix it. So let's jump straight in. The first thing you want to do is go to paypal.com, and this is the point where you'll actually receive that notification. What we're going to do here is scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and you can see that there's a little taskbar, a little toolbar, and you can tap on contact. Now, if you tap on help, what's going to happen is it's going to give you a list of articles that you can read that'll help you with an issue that you're dealing with. The issue here is that there is no online solution. You have to contact the PayPal team, and you will have to deal directly with somebody that can assist you from the technical support team. Now, alternatively, you can go into your browser and type in PayPal contact, and it'll bring you to the same page. Basically, this is where it is. Over here, you can go ahead and you can search for your issue, and once you have searched for your issue, you can go ahead and you can contact the support team. Now, some of the other methods is the resolution center and calling PayPal and dealing with somebody, speaking to them directly. Now, just remember that the reason for this happening could possibly be that somebody tried to hack into your account, or there was some suspicious activity. So there is a good possibility that your account will still be accessible. You just got to go through this process. It might take some time, but it will eventually be resolved. I hope this was helpful. If it was, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.